To get started, launch the YouTube app on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Under the Account section, tap Manage All History. To pause your watch history, tap Saving Your YouTube History. Here, you will see a Turn Off button. Tap on it. Now, tap the Pause button below to pause your YouTube history. From now on, YouTube will no longer save your watch history. To manage auto-delete settings for your watch history, tap Auto-delete from the menu. Then, tap the circle next to Auto-delete Activity Older Than. And then tap the drop-down menu next to 36 months. Now, select the desired time frame for auto-deleting your history. Then tap Next in the bottom right corner. After selecting the time frame, YouTube will show you an option to delete the watch history older than your chosen period. Tap the Confirm button to proceed with the deletion. Your watch history older than the selected period has been deleted. And from now on, YouTube will delete history older than that in the future automatically. To clear your entire watch history, scroll through your watch history and delete individual entries by tapping the X next to them. Then tap Delete to confirm. This way, you can delete individual watch history entries one by one. If you want to delete your entire watch history at once, tap the drop-down menu next to Delete. You can delete your entire watch history for all time, for a custom date range, or for today only. Select your preferred option. The watch history based on your preferred choice will be deleted. So these are everything you need to know about managing and clearing your YouTube watch history.